Hello everyone, I am Bom Carrot. What a glorious day! So I'm gonna invite you Korean Han River picnic with special dish called Padubu. When you go to Korea Han River, there will be lots of people eating this dish, but it will be made with chicken. But this one, I prepare vegetarian version. It is crispy, healthy, nice, lovely. It is just like perfect. So let's just see the ingredients. Oh, so I prepare tofu. Tofu you can get any supermarket, as you know, and it is very healthy and cheap and nice. So we will put some salt and pepper on the top. Just only little. And bit of pepper. Okie dokie, now our tofu can go and have a rest. The secondary important ingredient, spring onion this time. So I'm gonna tell you special way how to cut spring onion like witch's nail. So you need to cut half. And then you need to cut spring onion's tummy, only half. So if you cut half like this, then you can see her tummy, right? And then, important, you need to fold her body half like this. Then chop really thin. So now you can see it is like witch's nail. And the rest of that also you can chop really thin. Okay, I cut all the spring onion, but it made me cry, so I'm gonna put this over here. And this is pepper time. You need to cut pepper really thin, like spring onion. Right, so I cut all the pepper like really thin, and then we can go and see how is tofu is doing. Okie dokie, let's see the tofu. Tofu looks like doing really well. So shall we cut the tofu then? Half. And another side half. And half. And half. And then you need to cut 3 times, and you need to cut into 6 too. 5, 6. Well done. So they are like bite size, perfect size. And then you need to prepare corn flour, and it is top secret. If you put 1 spoon of curry powder, it is much tastier. So, and then mix. You can use normal flour, but corn flour is better for crispy texture. Okay, and then put this flour to the plastic bag. And then put our tofu gently. And then shake like just like your baby. Very gentle. Don't break it. Okie dokie, it is ready. Right, so now you can see Tofu is covering with the flour very well. She can go and get married now. So pretty. So while she is having a rest, we can go and make special seasoning sauce. Okie dokie, this special sauce gonna smash your nose, but in a good way. Let's try to make it. You need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And you need 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Any vinegar is fine. And you need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And you need 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. But you can reduce if you don't want to get too much smash your nose, you know. And you need 2 tablespoons of honey. And you need 1 crushed garlic clove. Okie dokie, sauce is ready! Okie dokie, this is fried tofu time. I prepare super long grandfather chopstick, and I put a half cup of oil in the pan, and it is medium high heat. So when you can hear sound, it is ready to fry tofu. Or you can draw one and see if it is bubbling. It is bubbling now, so it is perfect. Let's put the tofu. You need to give enough distance each other so they won't stick together. You will see the tofu's bottom looks bit browny and crispy. Then you can turn over. Okie dokie, the both sides when brownish and looks crunchy enough. They're well cooked, so we can leave them out for the picnic. Righto! Actually, my mom always said for the fried food, twice fried is more crispy and nicer. So you can do it twice if you like crispy taste. Righto! So our picnic is almost there. So you need to add spring onion on top of the tofu. Ooh, like this. And then pepper as well. Ooh, like this. So it is like a tofu volcano now. And then you can add sauce on the top. I'm sure you would love this smashing nose taste. So nice. Then you can put roasted peanut or roasted cashew nut, or any nut is fine if you have some. It is nice. Just like that. It's gonna be big party in Han River, you know. Okie dokie, picnic is ready. Let's go to Han River. Here we are in Han River.
Incredible.
Try.
Super incredible picnic.
Smash your nose! Thank you for coming Han River picnic with us, and I hope you enjoyed this food. See you!
See you.